This is that one.
Buick.
This is awesome.
What?
It's awesome. It's a nice car.
Yeah. What is it?
A Chevy.
Yeah, we can't touch that. What's the Buick?
There's an ugly Ford.
Yeah,
Ugly but cool. Ugly but cool. Ooh, 3-speed. I hear a flathead starting. I knew I heard a flathead starting. I knew I heard a flathead starting over there.
don't look right for a Ford. For a sedan.
The color?
Sedan.
The color you mean?
No, the sedan itself. Just don't.
Oh, that's what it is.
You don't have the skill.
Nice little Model A. That was a nice original Model A. There you go. That's nice. Awesome. That's what the engine says. Awesome.
I'm standing next to a drop dead, stunning, gorgeous 56 Ford, big back window. And I just want to talk about it. It's just a straight arrow truck. What's your name, sir? Jim. Where do you live, sir?
There you go.
Nice.
This Merc is nice. This Merc is real nice. Damn nice Merc. I like the color.
Yeah.
That is a really nice Merc. 69 GTO Judge.
Yeah.
'58 Impala. 69 Firebird. Little bucket T here.
Yeah.
Look at them back tires.
I gotta tell you, it sits right. I've had a lot of these 56 Ford pickups, and I like them to always sit.
See how wide
just
this
like
shit is?
Thank you. Oh, is that right? Nice. Okay, so what are we talking? The engine. I know it's got air conditioning. It's definitely a Ford. I see the distributor up front. What kind of motor we got here? It's a 351 Ford Collision.
Looks like good.
It's got something on your engine.
What's with the what?
It's got 700 RPM.
I don't know.
That's a first.
It's a nice gasser.
So obviously there's an
Real nice gasser right here. This 57 gasser.
to make it work. Yes, it works beautiful. So on the highway, when you put that thing on overdrive, how high are you tacking or how low I should say?
Littlefield.
2100.
Bias ply front tires. Oh. Bias
Really nice. Let's walk over here
back.
and talk about the
Straight up old school, man.
Folks, this pickup is just stunning. I noticed first thing off the bat, I can smell the leather.
Old
Let's talk
school.
about this upholstery.
Old school. That's cool.
talking. Looks like, sounds like the guys who were going to all the car shows.
Yeah.
You know, I can't think of his name.
Really nice. So we got power window, power motor, GoPro,
the fuse.
AM/FM stereo, all the stuff inside. The bed is equally as stunning. What kind of wood is that? That is European case.
Nice Ranchero.
Wood. Hey guys,
Very nice. Yep.
Folks, once again, we're talking.
That's a damn nice one. Definitely a nice Ranchero, man. Rambler Rogue. It's a Rambler Rogue. Pretty rare car. Typhoon 290.
Making its way to the surfing area.
Very nice car. You don't see very many of these.
But Saturday as well.
Over there.
Got Willie's pickup?
Got that two big one.
Oh yeah, I do. Dirt track tires. Got dirt tracks on there. Dirt track.